Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So as we have promised before, we'll do more educational videos about the TCW and the RS analysis indicator. So stay tuned. In this video, we'll go through all the examples. So first of all, we'll start with this trade right here. We take it today on the gold chart. We have right here the live execution of this trade, zero drawdown, of course on a live account, and we have already made $9,000 on this trade. Also, one of our students on the VIP group has located this fractal on the live chart before the execution, and it plays very nice. So if we go to the chart and we'll try to understand how we execute this one. So if you don't have the right knowledge, if you don't have right experience, it's not a problem. When you turn on the indicator, okay, let's go back right here. If you turn on the indicator will locate this area. You see right here, the two yellow lines, this one and this one right here. This is the child wave. And as we have explained it before, we have push to the downside, pull back, and then push to the downside. You will find your TCW somewhere right here. And as you can see in this way, it was located on the indicator. So without any effort, you will take a copy for this one, and then you will scale it right here on the chart. We'll try to focus on the self-similarity. So we can see that there is a self-similarity between the fractal and the mother wave right here. So once the price come and touch the trend line, we'll execute our long position to target this high in this way. So we'll wait right here, the price touch the trend line. So we have executed our long position, and in this way we'll target the high. So now, so make sure to draw the trend line the right way. You can turn off the indicator on the lows of the trend child wave model. So you have a zero drawdown trade right here. Okay. And this is the high. So this was the execution using the TCW model. The fractal or the trend child wave model was located on the indicator. So all you need to have is to draw the trend line. You find your entry point, and then you target this high of the mother wave. Okay. So now let's move to the RS analysis indicator. We can start with the NQ Nasdaq futures chart. So right here, if we try to focus on this wave, okay, see that when we turn on the RS indicator, and of course we need to go back right here so we can have a live setup. So in this way, first of all, we see that we have this F, meaning fractal. This means that right here in this area we have a range of a fractal, okay? And then we'll see that we have this blue vertical and horizontal lines. This means on the corners we have a fractal in this way. So our fractal is this wave right here. This is a rescaled fractal. So when we take a copy of this one, what we'll notice that there is a self-similarity when we scale it from the low, okay, in this way. So you can see that this pullback right here, we turn off the indicator, this pullback right here is self-similar to this one. So this is our reference point in this way. And from here, we'll expect that the price will go on a strong downtrend to reach this level right here, okay? So that's it without any effort. So this is the execution of this trade, okay? So using the the RS analysis indicator, we can see other example on another chart and also on another time frame. So I've already explained this area before as a rescaled range analysis, in this way that this wave right here was rescaled from this mother wave right here. So in this way, the price will end the cycle at this level, and then we'll start going on a strong downtrend, okay? So if we see another example, so right here, for example, when we cut the price at this level, we try to have a live setup on the chart. So we turn on the RS analysis indicator. As you can see, we have the F, that means there is a range of a fractal in this area. There is something interesting in this area. And we have the two blue lines, the vertical and the horizontal lines. This means on the corners we have a rescaled fractal. So this one right here is our rescaled fractal, okay? In this way, we'll scale it from the downside to the upside. So as you can see, there is a self-similarity. We'll try to put the reference points right here, the highs with the highs and the lows with the lows. So from here, we can expect that the price will go on a strong downtrend to reach this area right here, okay, in this way. So if we go back right here, we can see that the price hit the take profit. So these are some examples. Try to go back to the chart, try to understand them, how you can locate them. And if you are interested to get our indicators, you can go to our website, simple as Fractals. So right here you will find all the indicators, the old version, the fractal level indicator, the trend child wave fractal indicator TCW 3 months for $500. Of course, there is no free trial for the indicators because they are not buy and sell indicator. They need an analysis, human touch, so you can trade with them. And for the ERAS analysis indicator, 3 months for $500. Thank you so much for being here today. See you next time.